National Weather Service has issued a lake effect snow warning.
With just one regular season home game left.
This is the end of the shoveling era.
Gotta shovel the stadium once in your lifetime, little semi-bucket list.
This could be a historic last for volunteer snow shovelers.
Highmark Stadium is once again covered in snow.
It's called Blizzard Brew. It's made with snow from Highmark Stadium to celebrate the great lengths that Bills fans will go through for one of the NFL's greatest traditions.
It's a rich stadium. Here's a Highmark. We love you guys. I do.
I guess that's all you can ask for. You know, a beer that not only tastes delicious, but means something.
They use the snow from Buffalo. How freaking cool is that?
It's a super cool memento.
These six-packs are selling for $75. $75 for a Bud Light.
And right here, right now!
Genius, this whole campaign. It's gonna be hard to top this, tell you the truth. It's gonna be hard to top this.